Okay, we are in the Moodle test310.delhi.edu site, and when I go to, this is my course, 11116, and when I go to simply edit my Turnitin, that was part of this course when it was imported, you can see it says class course selection not found. And there's something else I will get to in a moment. Here's the second thing. I logged in as a student in the course. The student is currently enrolled in the college. She just can't get to this because it's the test server. And when I click on here to submit something, it opens up. And then when I go to submit paper, I get the error message. I'm just going to submit something, whatever. And then I will get this message. User not found. And the third thing is, as the instructor, if I simply try to create a new Turnitin assignment, I go down here, Turnitin assignment 2, and then you will see class course section not found again. So those are the problems I'm having. We appear to have everything set up correctly, but it doesn't seem to be drawing students or classes. Thank you.